Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Everybody wants to know what is the market going to do, and this is what these segments are to try to give you an idea what the market's going to do. Okay, here's what's going on. Ever since we've had the 20% correction in the market, or a 20% crash since October, what they have done, the plunger team led by Trump, is to make sure that they can drive this market right back up with the same interest rates that brought it down by using the trade. All they're talking about to move the market up, and it's working as long as they can get on and say the trade deal is happening, things are going well with the trade deal. That's called buy into the rumor. Now remember, the problem is that the market has some very big red flags. Everybody's ignoring these red flags. The yield curve, for example, is a very big red flag. When you have the 30-year and you have the 3-month, and when that 3-month yield, 3-month interest rate is almost the same as the 30-year, that means it's inverting. That means we're in a recession. You got to have that 30-year yield 3 points higher than the 3 months. And it's not. They're almost the same, which means we're in a recession. But nobody's going to talk about that. The other problem we're having, the big red flag, we have retail sales are collapsing. That's because the consumer doesn't have money. The banks are tightening the credit. We have a situation where stock buybacks has been the biggest threat to our economy right now, because the stock buybacks has created tremendous debt for corporations, $9 trillion. That's a huge problem for our economy and our financial system. So what's going to happen, they're going to keep playing and keep driving this market up as much as they can on the trade deal. He already said that, oh, I think I'm going to extend 60 days. Instead of putting the tariffs on, he said, oh, I'm going to extend it 60 more days. He loves it. The president loves it. He knows he can keep driving the market. So what I am telling my members, let's keep buying into this rally. And it's a fake rally, but we'll keep buying into it. It's called buy into the rumor. And then when it stops and they finally have the fact, whether or not they have a good trade deal or bad trade deal, it's not going to matter. It's going to give it all back. But in the meantime, you got to remember, you keep buying into this rally because you're buying into the rumor, selling into a fact, and the biggest problem with this whole rally, the banks are not leading. So that's where we stand. If you want to know what the market's doing, it's being led by its nose through this nonsense crap of the trade deal. The trade deal is getting better. So keep buying into the rumor of the trade, and then we'll sell into the fact, and it'll give it all back. Why don't you join my gang, philsgang.com, and we'll show you how to invest long-term and short-term. We'll see you on the charts.